Tresham College would like to give a massive thank you to everybody at Click Scolmore and at Build Base who made it possible for us to have a donation of £500 worth of free electrical accessories and mattresses for our workshop. I'm sure my learners will be immensely excited when they come in on Monday after half term and see all the freebies that we've been given. We also got given 3 display boards for our classrooms and our workshops. We are immensely appreciative of the efforts from Click Scolmore, and we'd like to thank you for everything you've donated to us, and we look forward to working with you more closely in the future. Thank you from everyone at Tresham.